Artoonza.
All right, squeaky clean artists and bathroom explorers. Have you ever stared at your bathroom and thought, wait, this place absolutely deserves to be a masterpiece? Well, today, your wildest bathroom dreams come true. We're drawing the most amazing bathroom ever, complete with a gorgeous mirror above a sparkling sink, a dreamy bathtub rocking a big love heart like it's Valentine's Day every single day, a super cute shower gel bottle chilling right on top, and a fluffy towel doing absolutely nothing. Then we go wild with purple glitter, red, light blue, and yellow acrylic paints, and finish it all off with light blue glitter polish, pink glossy polish, and gold copper glitter polish. Because why have a boring bathroom when yours could be totally glittery?
Aww, so cute.
Grab your markers, brushes, and your fanciest imaginary rubber ducky, because we're turning this into the most spectacular bathroom on the planet. Give us a big thumbs up. Warning, your real bathroom will get seriously jealous. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. The love heart on our bathtub has been waiting all day for this moment. It looked at the plain white walls, crossed its tiny heart arms, and said, I demand to be read. And honestly, who are we to argue? We load our paint dropper like a tiny fancy sauce bottle at a 5-star restaurant. Drip, drip, drip. Those gorgeous red drops land right where they belong. We grab our brush and swoosh that big, beautiful love heart into the most dramatic, passionate, bold red you've ever seen. The color of love, ketchup, fire trucks, and every single feeling that makes you go, wow! Our sink and mirror get the red treatment too, because once red shows up to the party, everything wants in. Watch those brushstrokes turn this bathroom from plain to powerful, one gorgeous red stroke at a time. Fair warning, your heart might actually skip a beat.
Aww, so cute.
Give us your like. Cool blue swoops in to calm things down. Light blue drops land like a breath of fresh air. Peaceful, clean, and absolutely dreamy. But wait, yellow just burst through the door. Bright, bold, and absolutely refusing to be ignored. Yellow acrylic drops fall like tiny drops of liquid sunshine. We grab our brush and dance those drops across the page, lighting up this bathroom like someone switched on the world's biggest, happiest lamp. Yellow is the color of sunshine, bananas, rubber duckies, and pure joy that makes everything better. And right now, this bathroom is radiating all of that. Watch it glow from beautiful to absolutely radiant. One warm, sunny stroke at a time. This bathroom is officially becoming a 5-star resort.
Aww, so cute.
Smash that like button now. Glitter has entered the building! Light blue glitter polish sweeps in like a disco ball nobody planned, but everyone loves. Brush it on and boom, this bathroom now belongs inside an icy, sparkling palace. Or maybe underwater, honestly, possibly both. Too pretty to even be real. Pink, glossy polish, shiny and straight up gorgeous. Brush it on and suddenly everything looks gift-wrapped, kissed by a flamingo, and completely ready for its close-up. Stunning. The grand finale, gold copper glitter polish. Because every masterpiece deserves a crown. Bow down. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.